In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to upload audio or pre-recorded audio in Canva. If you've ever wanted to enhance your Canva projects with some unique sound bites or your very own recorded messages, you're in the right place. Let's dive into the process step by step, making it as seamless and clear as possible. First, we want to head over to Canva's homepage. You may already be familiar with creating visual content here, but today we are zooming in on audio uploads. Start by logging into your Canva account. This is crucial because only with an account can you access all the fantastic layouts and editing tools Canva offers. Once you're in, direct your attention to the left sidebar. This is your central hub of navigation. Look for the Uploads option. Clicking on Uploads will open a new panel. If you're not seeing it, make sure you're in the editing view of a project, which should make the sidebar options visible. This is the feature that allows us to bring in our personal media, including those audio files we're so eager to work with. As you hover over Uploads, you'll find yourself faced with another choice. Select Upload Files. This is the gateway to your device's storage. Clicking on this button will prompt a window to pop up where you can navigate through your computer's file system. If you have multiple audio files, consider organizing them beforehand to save time searching for the desired file. Now it's time to choose the specific audio file you want to add to your project. Your format could vary, whether it's an MP3 or WAV file. Canva supports several audio file types. Once you're sure of which file to use, double click on it, or select and click open and wait as the file is uploaded. Keep an eye on the upload progress, usually indicated by a loading icon. Depending on the file size, this might take a little time. When the upload is complete, the audio file will now appear in your Canva Uploads folder. You can access it anytime you're creating or editing projects. Simply drag the audio file onto your design canvas or into the audio track of a video project if that's your goal. From here, you're free to experiment and creatively integrate your audio into presentations, social media posts, or videos. And there you have it. Uploading audio to Canva is a quick process, but one that opens up a wide range of creative possibilities. Remember, practice makes perfect. Explore different ways to mix your audio files with Canva's vast array of design options and see where your creativity takes you. Thanks for joining in today, and happy designing.